Hey YouTube, figure I'll do a quick video on this BMW 325 Xi that I'm working on. Having a crank no start issue. Now, I've already did a fuel pressure test and I'm not getting any pressure. So at this point, I'm about to check power going to the fuel pump. Now the fuel pump is under the rear seat on the passenger side. I've already have the cover off, but once the seat is there, all you got to do is just grab the front of the seat, pull up, and it pops from these clips and you take the seat right out, and this right here is where the fuel pump is. Now there's this cover you got to remove. Once you peel this cover back, you're gonna see this round plate, this plate right here. It has four 10mm bolts. So we got 1, 2, 3, and there's one under here. But you could just rip this mat off, get easy access, and you got all four. Use a 10mm socket, take those off. Now once all those are off, pop the cover up. Be careful, the wires here. And you have your fuel pump right here. Now I'm just doing a quick video. I'm not changing the pump just yet, but I gotta order that. But I'm just doing a video on just a quick check that I did to confirm the pump was bad. Now this pump has, let's get a close up here. It's got 4 wires going to it. 2 small ones in the back here, and then 2 big ones in the front. These ones are, that's what's supplying the voltage to the pump, the power to the pump. I believe the small ones are for the sending unit. Now what I did was I got me my voltmeter. I put one lead on one wire and the other lead I put on the other wire. Once you put it on and you turn your ignition on, it'll actually, you'll read on the meter here, you'll get 10 or 12 volts, whatever your battery is. It's going to tell you, if you see a minus sign like what's flashing here, then you know these leads reverse these leads. So for mine, the positive is the blue and white, and the negative is the brown wire. I got to do this with one hand, but once you put the leads on and then you reach over, you turn your ignition on, you should get 12 volts here or close to it. Then you try to crank the car, and once you try to start it and you crank it, you should still get voltage going to it. If you read voltage on your multimeter, you should also hear the pump priming. So that part I could do on camera. The other part, like I said, I'm using one hand, so I can't hold the leads and record. But if you listen, I don't know if you guys be able to hear this. If I turn the key, you should hear the pump priming. You're not going to hear a sound from the pump. See, nothing. You should actually hear the pump make like a winding noise, priming, and then when you turn the key again to start it, then the car will start. This, I'm not getting a sound, no vibration when I put my hand on it. I'm getting voltage on the voltmeter when I put the leads on to test it. So that tells me my pump is bad. Now, I'll do another video on replacing the pump, But for now, I just wanted to make this quick video. I just figured I'll do it, put it online. There are a few other videos online on the same test, but you know, it could never be too much information. So hopefully this helps somebody. Hopefully you guys like it. Subscribe, share, leave comments. I try to read all my comments. Try to respond to all of them. And thank you guys for watching.